Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I'm back with hashtag Jelly Postcard Play. It's July 2nd, and we're on to our second postcard. So let's just get going. I don't remember if I said yesterday or not, but everybody is going to put the hashtag Jelly Postcard Play on their videos. So if you want to follow along with all the videos of this challenge, that's what you will look for. Hashtag Jelly, Jelly. Postcard Play. Okay, so there we go. There's our basis. This little embossed piece was done on a jelly print or jelly plate. So kind of fun, right? I don't think I'm not gonna distress today. I'm looking at my pieces and I'm saying no to the distressing. How's that? This one again is gonna go up and down as opposed to the sideways postcard. Ooh, that just wanted to rip, but that's okay. It just makes it look a little grungier. So we're gonna put that at the top. I've got this pretty floral, and I think I'm going to kind of put it midway so we still can see quite a lot of the jelly print. Just got lots of gluing on this guy. Okay, and it goes this way. Just going to kind of go slightly sideways. I think I need to go down a little bit. Slightly sideways so that more of it fits on. Okay, there we go. Then we've got this butterfly. It's going to go right there. And we've got a $2, but number 2 for July 2nd. Boom. There we go. That one's done. July 2nd, Jelly Postcard Play. Thanks for being here. Have a grateful day. Be kind always, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.